Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Americans best picture and videos app. So all you have to do is just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just keep going down here, then you click here on apps, then you come here to apps list, just switching to open video like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here and you're looking for it, or just click on search, then here add Americans best picture and videos here, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do, you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.